Realtors Property Resource, RPR, uses public record data and MLS data. This system allows RPR to offer a comprehensive view of the property market across the United States, and you are not restricted to your local MLS area to research properties, find sold comparables and create CMAs. Every property that is sold is recorded at the local county level. Public records, which are generally maintained by local county recorders' offices or similar government entities, are a critical source of real estate data. These records often include information about property ownership, sales history, property characteristics, tax assessments, and more. RPR aggregates this information from numerous localities and provides it in an easily searchable and understandable format for realtors. The Sold Comparables feature in RPR allows realtors to compare similar properties that have recently sold in a specific area. This information is often derived from public records, where sales information is typically recorded. The ability to access and analyze this data is crucial for realtors when they are preparing a comparative market analysis, CMA, or advising clients on buying or selling prices. While MLS data can be more current and detailed, especially regarding active listings, it's typically limited to a specific region where the MLS operates. On the other hand, public records cover a broader scope and include all properties, not just those listed for sale. In short, RPR integrates both these data sources, public records and MLS data, to provide a comprehensive tool for realtors, combining the broad scope of public records with the timeliness and detail of MLS data. This approach allows RPR to offer benefits that are not always available when using one source of data alone. It also allows the realtor users to stand out from their competition that is not using RPR because it provides the most up-to-date data which can be used to set yourself apart from the competition.